Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Oh, thank you very much. How are you?
I'm fine.
You know, the state has really changed. And for the better.
Yes, sir. The governor is really trying, really transforming the city. You know, everywhere so fine, so cozy, like good roads, you know, good schools. Nightlife is on, you know, booming.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you. So really trying. Cinemas everywhere. Girls flew in the night like mad. Yes, yeah.
My dad was really close to you, you know, from the things he told me.
Yes, sir. Very close, sir.
What kind of a person do you think my dad was?
Your dad was a great man. A great man, a very nice man. He was always there for me, always helping me, giving me advices and telling me what to do and what not to do. So he's really too good, too nice. But his death really dealt with me. I do.
It's okay. It's okay. Please park the car. Park the car. Park the car, please. Sir? Park the car. Can you please talk to me? What is it? Please talk to me. Talk to me. What is it?
The death of your father really devastated me. Mr. Odogu, a very nice man. There is nothing he doesn't do for me. He gives me money, he gives me advices, he gives me clothes and shoes. He wants the best for me. But death...
You know, everyone close to him feels the pain of his demise.
Yes.
I do too.
You do?
Yes, so much. But I'm so happy to hear he was nice to you.
Very nice.
Well, you don't need to worry yourself. I'm here for you.
You're here for me?
Exactly.
In other words, you're going to take over from what your dad has been doing for me? Like giving me clothes and money and shoes and advice me?
Yes, I will. Exactly.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to do that because he told me wonderful things about you.
That's me.
I'll try as possibly as I can to make sure I am nicer than he was to you.
Oh, thank you.
You know, he told me then that you were the only one he could count on since he brought you from the village.
Just me?
Yes.
Just me.
Now, please, I want you to stop crying. Come and go to the house, please. I'm so famished. I need to eat.
There's a whole lot of food in the house.
Really?
Yeah, we have egusi soup, oha soup, pufaku, akpu, fufu, wheat. Do you eat abacha?
Everything. I eat everything, yes.
But have you tasted the ogiri?
You know
this one they call ogiri okpe. If you taste ogiri okpe and pollute, flies will do party for you because they will like the smell of your pollution. Yes.
You know what?
What?
I think I would love to test all of them.
You're greedy. You're very greedy. How can you test everything?
This man here is hungry. Can we go to the house, please?
But do you eat all those things there?
Come on, can we go to the house, please? I'm hungry. I'm famished. Can we go to the house, please?
But you said you were going to be nice to me.
Can we start going to the house?
find me something. Chairman. Okay, let me just take you home first. Then.
Oh God!
Standing ashore. Now you too much, Bob. Standing like a soldier of the old. I'm put out a terrible. Easy me.
This must be OC, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Easy me.
How are you?
Easy me.
Oh my God.
My body is my body. I see different bodies, different body. Wow. Have you? Okay, I come back. I have happiness to see me, bro. Very happiness. Deliver. Hey, travel. What I would do to listen to? What I would do now? Oh, yeah.
One like this.
I came what you are. Yes, I'm good boy. What's the like a travel from that door? I say, we look around. That is here. My surprise. Hey, surprise. That is here. I'm Bozo. Magic. That is a magical life. Magic. Yeah.
Sweet food. Yes. It's so exciting.
Yes, Uga. Well, I am welcome back. Very happiness to see me.
Okay, Tansu, this is Ngozi.
Ngozi.
Okay. Yeah, she's the cook of this house.
Okay, welcome.
She cooks everything. So I call her the cookist.
Yes,
Cooking. And this one is Njide.
Okay.
Yeah, she's what in charge of keeping the whole compound clean.
Yes,
she sweeps very well. So I call her the sweepist.
Killing.
And Ngozi and Njide.
Stop that.
This is Charles. Charles is the son of our boss.
Charles, yeah, welcome.
Just came back from abroad.
Sir.
Yes.
I know me. I am an old place. Understand? Well, let me stamp the practical of the deliver. The treatment that a young, the old, the OC of this compound, officer in charge. Okay? And he's telling me after I don't come out discussion. That's why I go cook me. So I go sweeping. Now you don't travel to the book. Work, I open my center. After I don't open my bag, I will give you my gift.
It's okay.
Understand? I'm going back to my post.
I go.
Well,
Get go!
I must commend the house is really tidy. Good job. Yes. And besides, I said I'm so hungry. I'm so famished.
Everything is ready for you.
Really? And remember I said I want to test all the soups available.
You would.
All right.
Welcome.
Uzi.
Yeah, my chairman. My chairman.
Not for yours now.
Yeah, for what? Why? Yeah, I'm a big boy. I'm okay. I'm not eating pizza. At least pizza and shawarma. Here, their food is cheap here. I go to where they sell like 15,000 naira a plate and that's it. But the aroma is so fresh. I like the so nice, so very nice. These people can cook.
Sure they can.
I'm sure the food is tasteful.
Yeah. You want to test?
Me? Taste? Taste what? But if you insist, I wouldn't mind at least a spoon.
Well, try some.
Fair. You don't even have to put. In US, when you want to like give some, you grab it. Like if you don't even mess it for the food, like you will waste. Then you go again. Yeah, no. Let me just drop you here. I do not want your wizard father, to come after me in my dreams,
It's okay, no problem. So
Yeah.
what about the money you promised?
Yeah, the money, I'll give you the money. For sure, I must surely give you. But what I have here is dollars
Dollars.
and pounds.
Who is you? Dollars.
This girl, I don't know what you take me for. You Z, happening guy. When I change the dollars, I'll give you enough. But meanwhile, hold on to this. Let me surprise you. Just manage this one for now. When I change the dollars, I'll give you enough.
2,000 naira.
Change it first.
For what now?
For you. Just change it first. Especially in 10 naira denomination of 5 naira. It will be.
All the love I have for you, just giving me 2,000 naira.
Of course, I love you. And I just told you now that I want to go change the dollars. Then I'll come and I'll give you enough. Just hold on to that, please, baby. Thank you. Let me rush. I don't want your father to...
Come here. Come here. Come close. Close. I said come close. Where are you coming from?
From ID's place.
From where?
ID's place.
Odibeze! Odibeze! Papa! Just come. Come. Repeat what you said. Repeat it. What did you say?
I went to ID's place.
Eh? Papa, is it not ID that left here just now?
Just now.
Eh?
Is it? Are you hearing that?
Liar.
Huh?
Papa, I went to Rosie's place first. Then I now go to ID's.
So this is why you chose to school outside this area.
Papa,
So you could see big space to caliphant. Meet one type of man or the other.
True.
Can you see it now? Come here! Lie down. Lie down!
Lie down!
Face down!
Papa, sorry.
Buttocks up!
Papa, please.
What?
Papa, have mercy.
Position!
Papa, have mercy. Papa, have mercy. Papa, have mercy. Papa, Papa, please.
What is it? What is it?
Ask your daughter. Ask your daughter.
Shoma, where are you coming from?
I went to Rosie's house. From Rosie's house, I went to ID's house.
You see what her hand is doing? Like a snake.
Liar.
Trying to penetrate into a buttocks. You see it?
So you finally came back to this house? Eh? You finally came back, Agaracha? Papa, beat this idiot. This has small tiny bum bum. Flog her very, but this kid is very small. Papa, let me come, Jerry.
But you, hey, come back. Come back. Where are you going? You. Huh?
I want to go and buy something.
You want to go and display your own buttocks to men who are looking for buttocks. Is that so?
I want to go and buy something.
You don't come here now. I use this cane to dissect your buttocks. Oh, use this and cut.
This is your fault, too. Stupid girl.
I said go back to the house. You see the kind of children you've brought into this my household?
Is that why you want to wound her?
Why shouldn't I?
She said she went to Rosie's place at first.
She was lying now.
Which is a lie.
She was lying.
First thing you do when you're training your children is to know who is lying, who is not lying. This one is lying.
Papa Chidema.
She's lying!
I know. Just keep the kid. It's not only flogging children that you will train them. There's other way.
It's the most effective.
Wow.
You flog your children, it's the most effective. You achieve result. Exactly.
I know. My husband, it's okay. Oh, yeah, keep. Don't worry. Come on, look at that necklace.
Imagine.
Allow Papa to beat this nonsense. Come on, what?
Darling. Okay, sit down.
You got no more than a
Sit down. It's okay. Do you ever let them get away with anything?
But I'm doing all that for their future. If they're spoiled, we are in trouble. Huh?
When I wanted to get married, I said I'll marry a wife a man. I'll be gentle with me and my children. Not like my father who was so harsh on us and his wives. But you now turn out to be even worse than him. Nah. Hey.
Are you serious? I'm no longer what you expected?
That is not what I said. That's not what I said, but I'm just expressing myself. But anyway, I still love you.
I sure.
You're still my husband.
I sure.
Love you.
People like me are not many.
My
Prepare good food, you know how I eat it, what I eat. The taste you must achieve, you know all that. Wonderful. All right. My good wife. This you're behind, though. It's still there. You're sustaining everything. Hey, good guy, you know what I want, okay?
Hey, yo, that's how we roll. I'm saying you Z. You to the Z to the I. I'm saying, hey, yo, me. Who is the girl? Who is the lady or the woman in this neighborhood that Uzi cannot take up inside my trap? Uzi.
Uzi?
Sir?
What is it?
Malaria, then I am purging, and headache, then pneumonia, leg pain, then there's, I don't know, slight pain here, piercing me like hell. And
Since when did you start noticing all this?
sir, like 5 minutes ago, sir.
5 minutes ago?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Really sorry about it.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry.
Oh, thank you.
And I really wanted us to use a small car and go somewhere.
Sir?
I wanted we make use of the small car.
Don't try it, sir. Don't try it.
Easy. Take
Thank
it
you,
easy.
sir.
Sorry. Easy.
Don't try to smoke out. The brake is flat, sir.
The brake is bad.
If you match it, it will still keep going.
To
To
have
avoid
it-
accident. Yes, sir.
So, like, how much will it cost?
It's not expensive. Just more money, like 15,000 or 16. But I'll even charge 17 or 18.
Okay, 20,000 should be okay.
Or more, sir. Because the flatness of the engine is not something that...
That's okay, I'll take care of that. So, what about the clothes? You've given the dry cleaners?
Yes, sir. I have.
Alright. I'll make sure I get drugs for you, okay?
For what? For what? I don't need drugs. You know what I need? Just like 2 big bottles of Rodeko. No, leave it. 2 biggies. I can't finish 2 big. Give me like 6 or 7 small. Chill though.
Uzi, you're just impossible. I'll get drugs for you.
No, sir. I don't need.
No, I'll do that.
I know what I need. I need my neck.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll send for drugs.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, thank you. You want to? Hey yo, that's how we roll, man. Okay, I think me, show my baby. UZI took her out, droppings, drinkings, 5,000, 50,000. For where? You know, it's Nigeria, they soak. But here they pretend. And you can pretend. Next time.
What's the meaning of that?
Bring your voice down. Your daddy is outside there.
And so if he's there, what happens?
He might even hear you talking now. Just bring your voice down.
It's better he knows I'm talking with you. Or do you want him to think I'm talking to one guy?
No, just tell him you're singing. Gospel song. You are singing.
Oh, you.
Good evening, sir.
You!
Sir.
You. Where is your high friend?
Sir?
High friend,
that's exactly why I said I will come and see you and tell you the house rent is...
Rich Maroli. Where is the money you're owing me?
Okay, I will explain. I actually went to withdraw the money from the bank, so the ATM machine seized my card.
What's my business?
Papa, ask him whether he has an ATM card first.
Imagine.
I have
an ATM card.
Yes, I have.
Huh?
I have card. I just went to withdraw. The moment I slotted my card in, the machine swallowed the card.
Uzi, you pay me here now or something happens.
No, sir. You see, I will pay. I will pay. But
right now!
Hey, sir, please.
Where's the money?
I will pay. Hey!
I'm joking!
No, excuse me, sir.
Not joking!
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me,
you
sir.
must pay
public.
What is it again? What is it this time? What is
this same tenant owing me.
Mama Chidima, please help me beg him. Tell him I will pay him his money. I'm not running away. Isn't it? I will pay.
My husband, please. He said that he will pay. Let's give him the benefit of doubt. He will pay. Uzi, when are you going to pay my husband?
Soon.
When?
Very soon.
Soon is no date.
Can you see it?
Give me a date.
Okay, very, very soon.
No, is it Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday? Give me one day.
One of these Mondays.
Not one of the Mondays. Give me one day. Are you not serious?
Okay, Monday.
Monday.
Yes, ma'am.
Nah, please. He said that he's going to pay on Monday.
I won't agree.
Please, my husband. He said that he will come on Monday. Please.
See, if he fails to pay, I'm going to hold you responsible.
No problem.
That money must be must.
No problem.
Must.
No problem. Uzi.
Ma?
He said that he's going to hold me responsible if you don't bring it. Please make sure that you bring that money or else I'll hold you myself.
Monday morning. Monday morning.
Monday must be Monday.
Yes, sir.
Must be Monday.
Yes.
Oh yeah, get us from this place.
Thank you.
What kind of boy is this? What kind of tenant? Eh? Huh?
Wait. Now, what are you doing here at this time of the day now? Don't tell me, what if your father finds out? Don't be very risky.
Calm down now, they are still sleeping. If you give me the money, I will go before they wake up.
Because that's why you came to me this early. I don't like it too.
But you promised me yesterday now. And you didn't call me when you came back yesterday.
No, don't be in a hurry now. You still go like that? No, now.
Please do later.
I'm so lonely now. I'm alone here.
Hey, do later now.
Later.
Hey, my papa.
Stop. Hey. Wait. Thank God. Hey, I've been eating at the papa. I had trouble for the... This girl, they are very succulent. Respect yourself. Are you crazy?
See, my friend, no need. Don't hide it. I've seen that one. Yeah? Where are you coming from this morning? I got the money.
Backyard now. Why? Oh, the best, please leave me.
I shut up. You coming from the backyard. The only person I'm awake in this house by this time. So if you know where you're coming from, you say, oh, besides you think I don't know. You're coming from Uzi's room, Abby?
Me? Who's this house? I didn't go to this house now.
Okay, no, I'll tell Papa now so that he will help me actually. Help me. Tell me.
You're my sister.
I'm not taking that money.
Hey, please. Just 3,000. Just 3.
See that I'm taking this money doesn't mean if you try next time I won't tell Papa. I won't. What did they do yourself? Eh? You don't want to look at me and your sister. That you don't know this doesn't mean. Papa, good morning.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're up for your duty already?
Yeah.
That's good of you.
That's how we do it every morning. Yes.
Wonderful children. I love this.
Yes,
Keep it up.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
Okay, let me give you a chance to continue.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm happy.
Thank you, Papa. See, don't enter that guy's phone next time. I will tell Papa.
I won't. Hey, let me help you.
Yeah. No problem. Hey, don't clean first. Start with sweeping. After sweeping. You're missing a spot. Don't miss any spot.
I just penetrate this one whenever I can so like it. Baby, how are you now? Tell him,
Yeah.
Huh?
What is it?
I'm fine.
What's your problem?
I'm fine.
What are you doing now?
No, I just I will upon one. Egovin, tomato juice. You are the very baby. After you, it is still you.
And what did you do this early morning now? What is your problem now?
Nothing. I was
Have you drank this morning?
No, just wondering if I could just
if you could what?
Enter
where?
the place.
Which place now?
Down below.
Down below.
Penetrate. Yeah, baby.
Come on. Zoom out from here. You see this thing? Are you looking at it very well? This thing is very, very expensive.
Look at Onya.
Are you hearing me?
Yes.
That you can afford Android phone does not mean that you can subscribe every month. Are you hearing me?
Yes. Now that will shock you.
Stupid.
Because you don't know anything. Now let me tell you, my August son is back. Yes, from abroad, of course, with dollars. Plenty of dollars. And let me shock you again. From now on, he's going to pay my salary with dollars.
Really?
I'm telling you. So as
No, wait first.
I just said dollars.
Don't this your touch is becoming too much. You said about your August son is back.
Yeah, a few dollars. Just a few days.
Not
ago.
dollars. Your August son, when did he come back?
A few days ago now with dollars. So with the dollars that my August.
Please let me, Joe.
Okay, Putin will bring.
Ow! Why are you so tough? Come on, get from front. What is wrong with you? Are you crazy?
I did one bath before. You just.
Chalo knows up.
She wants to see now.
What is it you just asked me? I don't know who sang it.
Whiskey. The title is Mind Your Business.
Oh, no vex. I know say I will mind my business. But I just don't understand this why you're walking up and down. Eh? Talking to yourself. What's the problem now? Talk to me now. I'm your sister. I'm your party now. Yeah? Talk to me. Talk to yourself. You don't say we dey run things together. You confide in me. Talk to me.
Oh, so you remember that we used to run things together? But don't worry. I will tell you what you did. Come and sit down.
Now you're talking. Oh, yeah, now. Talk to your babe. Talk to your man's man. Talk to your person. Talk. What's happened? Did I do?
I used to confide in you. Not until you run with this your two parrot mouth to go and tell Papa I told you something secretly. I said, please, look at this, save it. You went to take it to Papa. Why must you do that?
Yeah. I'm sorry, is that why you're... Something that happened 20 million years ago. You're still upset about it till today. I'm sorry now. Ndo. Sorry.
Hey, please let me hear a word. Just hold it there.
But you know I was doing this thing for your own good. Eh? That I sick of a guy. You know that guy is just too good to be true. Look, at the end of the day, what happened? Everything I said about him, didn't it happen? It happened. So forgive me because of that one. I'm sorry. Don't. Oh?
But seriously, even if whatever you say you're trying to do, when to go and tell Papa was not the best at all. You did wrong. That was wrong. Abba, that was really wrong. I felt betrayed. I'm really so sad.
I'm sorry now.
If Choma would do it, I would just leave her. But you, my own person.
Sorry now. Don't. Why was that? Sorry, forgive me. Huh? I don't know one. Papa's size.
Why? Me, Papa's height. Langa like you. Idiot. Size mommy. Langa like you.
Oh,
seriously.
Sorry.
I didn't like what
sorry.
you
Don't. Sorry. Have you forgiven me?
Do I have a choice?
Not if you forgive me today, now tomorrow you bring this issue again. If you forgive me today, let it be final.
I beg, shut up, Joe.
Just me. Tell me what the problem is. My fellow Asham. Tell me what's the problem? What was bothering you?
Calm down. There's something we want to discuss.
I'm all ears.
I hope that useless guy is not around.
I better forget that.
See, Bam, it's about Uzi's Oga.
Eh?
Uzi's Oga.
Hey! Uzi's boss is dead now. Hey! Shh! Chief, are you seeing that people now?
Keep quiet now.
Hey!
Are you going mental?
What are you talking about, a dead man?
Shh! Not how you're saying it. It's about something else.
Am I hearing a different thing?
Calm down, let me tell you now. It's not the man himself, it's the man's son. Hey, America.
Hey!
This langa.
You you can give someone IBP. I thought you were talking about a dead man. I don't begin pray sharply for my mind here. See you.
No, seriously.
See, why yourself?
No, seriously. If I were dreaming of a dead man, me, Chidema, I wouldn't have woken you, Papa, and that stupid girl Choma up. So we can start playing like Mama. Suzuki. Oh, Yabash.
But I was scared though. I was really scared, I swear.
No, God forbid bad thing. No, it's not possible. God, no. But seriously, stand up.
Mm.
I know you like Jesus.
Talk now. Talk.
See, on a serious note now, I want to meet Uzi's boss.
Huh?
Ayo, chicken know they cry for night. Ayo. Chicken know they cry for night. Ayo. If chicken cry for night, we go kill and chop. If the owner ask, we go tell and say, chicken know they cry for night. Ayo.
Chicken know they cry for night. Ayo.
Did you just call my name right now?
This any other person here. It's just the two of us now. See, baby, let me tell you. Yeah, I don't understand how I'm feeling for you these days. If you did something to me, you better go on and do it though. I've been trying to ignore these feelings, but I just can't. All the time I'll be thinking about you. At night, you. In the afternoon, in the morning, you. I just let me tell you.
Are you for real or just pulling my leg?
Pass real. You get anything with pass real, pass her.
It's not that I'm not happy about your proposal to me, but there's a little problem here now.
Tell me now, what's the problem?
Your father. I'm sure your father won't agree to this, and I'm sure you know.
The guy already agreed to anything. I mean, you want to tell him?
Am I crazy?
Yeah, I'm not going to tell him now, so you know, we will run things now too. We will run things.
So, if we are going to run things
no problem.
Wait now,
Wait. You like to be pressed. I don't understand.
I'm pressing. I'm a pressist. I press and I press.
You. I know, no press. I'm not. This my feet cautious. They look too much.
Okay.
What you go do? Bring your phone and make a call your number. Give you my money.
For
night, I will call you.
You call me.
I will call you. I'll go run things.
Sorry, this is not my original phone. This one, my phone. I use and they do rehearsal.
Oh, you have a bigger one.
Rehearsal. So the big one I use, I call it network. Fine phone. Network is a brand new.
I like this one, sir.
Yeah, this one at PM get up.
No, the phone is even fine.
No, it's not fine. If I want run lines, I use it. Okay. If I want to do the main, I use the main.
No problem.
Yeah.
It's really the touch.
Yeah, that's it.
No problem. You don't impress too much.
Okay, sorry.
I don't take her.
You don't take her?
I'll call you. Miko, take.
Take what?
Take your number now. Take.
Oh, we need to be serious now. Which number is that?
See, if you provoke me now, I go just carry this number. Go. Take your Romeo's number and go and call him now. Yeah?
Oh my goodness! The miracle! Hey! Did you fly?
No, you don't know me.
How did you get this?
You don't know who I am.
Oh my goodness!
I dey waste time. I know they waste time if I want to run things. I don't run am. Take am. The remaining of the things will remain now. You know, say na your hand now you dey. Take your number and do what you want to do.
No, seriously. Did you fly? This was so fast.
You're joking with me, Abby. You don't know what I fit do. Eh? You don't know how I want to take arrange. I don't for you. You don't know me again. What's up?
That is why you're my sister. You're too much. I say you're too much. So wait. Let me ask you. How did you go about it? Like, how did you get this number?
Well, if you must know, I had to play like I liked that museum with my cousins a little bit. The rest was just.
Mommy, yeah. Is it that you were single?
Nah, for real. No, be number there also. I don't get number for you with that.
In fact, I don't die. I'm dead here. This is.
Huh?
But now that you've deceived us now, how are you going to go about it? Eh?
Meaning, babe, contract I get with that one, you don't finish as I don't collect number. What's up? So if they leave you now, you go begin to say me, I go give them.
My sister is too much.
So if I give her now, you go collect. Now one for you. I don't understand.
You are too much.
I don't understand.
No, seriously.
How so that you're dressed up?
I am the officer in charge of this compound. Stop insulting me.
Is it because I haven't promoted you? I should have called you a bookie that you are.
Listen. Isaac. Isaac.
What?
Isaac.
What?
If it's not because you're my friend or colleague in this compound, I wouldn't deal with me.
It is better you deal with yourself. Because you can't deal with me.
I try me, ba? I know this is my dog here. Now I will bring you my trauma inside.
Yeah. Your dog, that's your colleague. Because of course you do the same job. You secure people's houses. He's a security dog and you're a security man. If anybody kills that dog now, they have killed you.
I see. Am I crazy? Am I crazy?
Ini, you are crazy.
How can I confine me with dog?
Security.
Security is different from officer. Understand?
Understand?
Yeah,
no. Then go and check. That somebody's
I will use my sense, see me. Thank you, my friend, for checking point. Someone is checking point. Security purposes. Who is me?
Shut up.
Sorry, don't laugh.
Hello.
Yeah.
My name is Onyema. I'm here to see Charles.
Oh, Charles is not in at the moment. He went out.
Wow. He asked me to come at 3. What's the time now? I'm here 5 minutes early. Please, have you got any idea where he went to? Will he be back soon?
Excuse me, sorry. Are you, by any chance, Barrister Uni?
Yes.
The one that works at the...
Barrister Onyoma, yes.
It's okay. Okay, D.
Okay, I go there now. I did, will I?
You did?
Will I?
Ah, but I'm sorry, I didn't know he's come back.
I see me.
Yeah, because actually when he went out, I was not around. So maybe he came when I had gone out. So drive your car up there and back, and I will take you to him. Eh?
Okay, stop there, my brother, stop! What is wrong with me? Listen, Isaac, make a respect to me. Because I'm the chief security officer of this compound. Listen, guy, I move myself, move!
Let's go.
Move with me, my friend! I am the commander-in-chief, I is here blocking my work. Isaac! What I go hold?
Hold this thing.
Sure, I see, I am Zoga. But in the name of the Dikeh center, I understand why Isaiah was catching me. Because that people will make I go work while I was going for I get to my footstep. Listen, the time hotel center where I come out now, I go tell her if you not to go marry me. And myself when I get it, and I'm young, I didn't know me, and about I went over, I didn't know. Can't say it.
Please have a seat. Uzi, ask her what she cares for.
You say?
Ask her what she cares for.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. What do I offer you?
Water will be fine.
Water will be fine. It's okay. Coming soon. Coming soon. Excuse me. What kind of water? Because we have hot water, we have cold water, we have not too cold water, we have chilled water, we have bottled water, we have water from dispenser. We even have swimming pool behind where you can go sit down, use a straw and soak as you like. You can even enter the shower and put your mouth up and the water will...
cold water will be fine.
Cold water.
Thank you.
Too cold or just chilled? Very cold. Chilled. Thank you.
I'm sorry for your loss. Your father was a very good man, a pillar to the state. His death was taken hard by many. So, the will was drafted years before, then redrafted a few weeks before his death. So, then redrafted a few weeks before his death. And he wished for his will to be read on the eve of his funeral.
Oh, I see. You know, were you sent in place of somebody? Just didn't expect my dad to work with a female so young. I was expecting a male though. No offense.
No, Dikeh. You know, your father and my father were very close friends. I don't know if you can remember. We actually attended the same primary school before you were out of the country.
I almost forgot. My candid pleasure to meet you. Pleased to meet you. You know, I'll see you. I mean, when I see you.
You enjoy your stay. Thanks for meeting me.
Oh, it's a pleasure meeting you. Nice to meet you. We'll meet you again. Meet you again, What did you say?
I said you should take the glass cup inside.
I want that shall never end. Come on, calm down, calm down. Come back, come back, come back. Take this.
My one is one.
What is it again?
Colleague is a colleague with that. My brother from different modes.
Anytime you begin to praise me like this, I know you want to do something mysterious.
Kai.
What do you want me to do for you this time?
Aje. Today, nan today, today,
Hold on. Why are you dressed up like this? And why all this excitement?
That is to tell me that something different is happening in my life.
Tell me about it.
That I'm telling you, I remember that guy tell me about.
Which girl?
That beautiful get his point and kill here. Get him back is very good for Jessica.
Jessica.
I'm going there because there is injury. I blow for you. I am going for a day.
Do you know you're very stupid?
It's a pleasure.
You're stupid.
Very, very injured.
You're going for a date.
Thank you very much.
Jessica.
Go ahead.
Okay. Why don't you ask her to come visit you instead? Huh?
That is the problem. There is something I tell me that is very, very critical. Because if I bring him here, the show I will spoil.
What show?
The show that I told her that I is the officer of charge of the whole company of bank.
You're very stupid.
It's a pleasure.
You're very, very stupid.
I will know. That's
So if you leave now, who mans this get for you?
What is the one? There is one here, there is one here.
Who stands in for you as a gate man?
There's covering.
Who covers you up?
Now you go cover. What am I doing here?
Why will I cover you?
Hey.
No, why will I cover you?
Eze. Don't you let me call you driver. Eze.
You're asking me and you're insulting me.
I'm not saying I'm pleading. Hey, my one. Please, listen. Cover me because there is a time when you come where you will say, "I, my one, Felix, I'm going somewhere. Cover my nyash."
If Oga asks after you now, what do I tell her? I mean, how?
Simple something. You don't need to argue too much with him. Telling that one I will call you. Hey, Eze, where's me? Telling him I go to prayer because I'm a spiritual somebody.
You've gone to the mosque.
Mosque, can I hear him?
All right, no problem.
I got to bring one.
I'll cover you up. Just go fast and come back immediately. You know who Oga is.
I will go.
Don't delay.
I no go delay.
Get out of here.
Ozzy, come. Something forget my memory.
What's that?
And this one is very, very important. Had you been a miss me, I would miss my show.
What is that?
That's my step. I would do like I will. Gong.
My step. You want to use it to impress the girl?
What a flexible. You're my friend.
Okay, I will teach you. Just watch me. Like I keep telling you, the right leg always goes first to the back. Then you extend forward. Watch, I'll go first, then you come second. Let's go like this. You go. Try it and let's see. No, I said the right leg first. Don't make this girl hit you. Let's go, and you put a fizzy style like this.
A fizzy. I get it. I go pose. Yeah, I go the pose.
Let's see.
Over. Charge on. Region 1 officer. Take my position. Show.
Only could lay my hands on her. Show her how to love a woman. What a lovely creature. Hey.
Who's it?
Sir. What else, sir?
You got my clothes from the dry cleaners?
No, not yet, sir. I've not been there, sir.
Why not?
No, they are not done with washing the clothes, sir.
Who's he?
Sir.
Are you sure you've been to the dry cleaners?
I've been there, sir.
You know, it's more than a week. What's going on, man? Huh? Is this how long I will have to wait before I can wear my clothes?
Sorry, sir. I'll go there. I'll go get them tomorrow, sir.
You better do that.
Yes, sir.
I am running out of decent clothes to wear. I need them clothes!
The clothes and the animal, which one is more important than I cool down? Oh, God. Come on. Come on.
What is this?
Don't try me. I will slap you if you say that again.
I will do what?
Look at me, lying down, sleeping and dreaming. Very romantic dream. Did I beg you to come and wake me up?
Romantic? I am not concerned what you say. Yes.
Okay.
If I'm romantic, I'm romantic myself.
If you don't want me to beat you now, take me back to the sleep and the dream, or give me that your girlfriend, Jessica.
Shut up, my brother. I'm not telling you. This girl will let it. I am telling you. Never make contact, no, Jessica.
Okay. Did I ask you to come and help me for sleep?
Jessica is it too important to me?
Then, what I was doing in that dream is more important than your Jessica. But if the therapy is not available,
okay, listen. Shut me. I want to know. I want to know.
This gate man, my friend, please open the gate. I want to rush to somewhere.
Easy. I just said,
It is you something is wrong with. What's your problem?
Okay, so what is now?
Open this gate. I'm in a hurry. Please, I don't want Oga to come and see me here.
Where am I going?
I'm going to the mechanics. I want to fix this car.
This one doing like this. What? I don't know I'm going at. Easy.
What?
Go back.
What is it?
This one will go kill it. Am I killing me now?
You shut up. Don't talk.
I go back me.
Please just open the gate. I don't want Oga to come and see me here. Open, please. I'm in a hurry.
Easy.
Huh?
Mark, I want you. Is an instruction. If I open for you, then you go open for me. Mark, I buy something for me.
I will buy.
Rob me.
Open gate. Let me go, please.
I can make it.
What can I Hi. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm okay.
Okay. What's wrong with the car?
The Freyon is almost finished.
The
Freyon.
Freyon.
That's the cooling gas used in the AC.
Oh, Freyon. Yeah. You're right. It's okay. My brake is faulty, so that's what I come to fix.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. That's good.
That's cool. Your car is very nice. Lovely interior.
Yeah.
Beautiful car. Yes, I have one of these. And
will you wait here all day? I don't know if I will meet you.
where are you going?
I want to use the restaurant nearby. Care to join me?
Am I stupid? See, I cannot refuse an offer from a beautiful girl like you with a beautiful car. And of course, you know, the gods of our land will definitely punish me for saying no to you. In other words, I'm going with you.
Alright, so let's go then.
Shall we? Okay then. Hey.
Thank you very much, Jose.
Yeah, thank you.
You're such a gentleman.
Oh, don't mention. I always do that.
So, tell me about you.
Well, actually, see, I'm a half caste. Yes, actually from Guinea, but my mother is from Akwa Ibom State. Yes.
You mean you were conceived in Guinea? Like, that's where your mom and your dad met?
Oh, no. My daddy is actually from Guinea. And so I do not really know how and when they met. Eat.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting. Where are they now? I mean, your parents?
When I was a little boy, so my mother's brother took me in with his wife and made me who I am today. They trained me. So that is it. Eat.
Oh, so sorry.
Yeah.
Who is Charles?
Charles is fine. He's at home. Are we supposed to be talking about Charles here or me?
I'm just asking, making a little conversation.
Eat.
I see.
Hey yo!
I said, let me do. Listen. Ayo, and I'm myself putting in again in the home. Ayo. Get out of here, my friend. I see I never been.
That is the smallest thing that happened to me today. Guess what?
What?
I had lunch with Unyoma.
Listen. All this my dancing is not to concern me. Lunch or I do cassette music.
Lunch.
We
went out.
I go lunch.
We went out.
Which person?
Unyoma. You know Unyoma now?
Which that Nami. That is something. Bam.
You know. We went out. Oh, she took me out. The most important is that there was outing. The two of us went out together. And my brother, we were spending money. We were drinking. We drank. We ate and drank. It's not small thing. Then we enter food. We were eating. There's no kind of food we didn't eat. Then when I brought out the bunch of money that I had in me to pay, she said, no, you hold it. That she will be the one to pay. And she paid. My brother, people were clapping for me, especially when I was giving them my legs.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
That's how we roll. That's how we roll. That's how we roll.
Uniform. Yes. But let's say after the dancing of moving back and going front, what is the promise?
Hey.
Because now you get money. I didn't get it. What happened for me?
It's okay, but
forget your girl. I know I don't go come outside now.
Yeah,
let us finish our contract.
What?
Of buying something, I rub my body. But if you not do, I will go to Loga.
I'll say to you. But let me quickly rush to change this before Oga finds out. When I come back, I'll say to you.
Isaac, I go rushing.
I'm coming. I'll say to you. I know. I'll say to you. My man. Hey, yo. Don't worry. When I come, I'll say to you. that now Onyama will know that I am the man. They don't call me Uzi for nothing. Eh? I surprised when I was feeding her. That girl is so nice. Went out. I am not here. I'm sorry, sir. Well, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm begging you, sir. It won't happen again, sir. It's a mistake, sir. Any other time this mistake repeats itself, sir, please cut my generation. No, don't even go there because I still value it. Just fire me, sack me, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Stand up.
Sir?
You can stand.
Thanks, sir. Thanks, sir.
You look good.
Sir, no. Forget about looking good, sir. I don't want to look good anymore. I prefer the former good I was looking to.
Why did you lie to me? If you wanted my clothes, you should have said so.
Yes, sir. I said it was a work of the devil, sir. I would never try it again, sir. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
Overheard you saw your ma today?
Yes, sir. I saw her. Her car developed problems, so she brought it to the mechanic. He said her crayon for the AC is finished, so she went to refill the crayon.
It's Freon.
Freon,
yes.
Freon, So afterwards, now I went to one powerful eatery. Nice restaurant to have a good time. We drank. When I mean we drank. We ate. There's no type of African delicacy that we didn't taste. People were even hailing when we were drinking. This is if you were there, I swear you will salivate. I didn't pay. She eventually paid. I
sit.
Wish you were. Sir?
You can sit.
Okay, sir. I'm listening, sir.
How do you do it?
How do I do what?
How do you talk to women? I have problems with that. I can't talk to the women I like. It's not funny.
Sorry.
I like Oyoma a lot. Yes, I like her. I'm comfortable and would like to settle down. But I can't possibly marry a white woman.
That's better. That's good. That's good. You don't need any white woman. Yes.
I think she's a nice girl. Yes, Oyoma. Something tells me she's a really nice girl. You know, I want your help. I need your help.
You need my help?
Yes.
You really want me to help you talk to Onyama? You like her, but I love her. No, but since you are interested in marrying her, I can leave her for you. Yes, I will.
You have many girlfriends?
Plenty. Plenty. Oh, do you think they call me Uzi for nothing? I am Uzi the striker, Uzi the striker, Uzi the toaster. Huh? I have all the girls, ladies and women at my beck and call. Too many of them. Just recently, my landlord's daughter was professing her love for me. She was all over me, not just her. With all her friends and many more are still applying. Too many of them.
Are you serious?
Ask anybody. You see the toaster. Don't joke with me.
Wow.
Don't joke with me. I'm a toastist. A toastist.
You know, I think I'm beginning to like you.
Of course, you know you don't have a choice.
Yes.
But to like me. Now let me teach you something. If you see a girl that you like and you want to...
He didn't pick. And seriously, I'm scared of calling him back.
I dey here, they walk me, see you, they the spoiler. Eh? Why they, what did they do you? What did they do you?
Okay, tell me one reason why you're scared of calling back.
Let me ask you. Look at me. Just take a good look at me. Am I not fine?
You try.
I'm not getting any younger. At all. At least I'm supposed to be in my husband's house now. You and I know the kind of father we have.
I do.
You bring this man. He will tell you no. You bring the other man. He will tell you no. You bring this one. He will tell you no. I really don't understand. But you know what? There's this strong feeling I have in my heart that our father is going to accept Charles. You see.
Me too. I believe that. Not be only test be that man's problem. The worst part is he won't even allow you to go out. You at least go out first now. Make those people see you. He no want make you go out. He want make you just from work, boom, to the house. At the end of the day, he still want make you bring Ramsey Noah come marry. But babe, even at that though, you still need to call him to make this thing happen. I'm serious. What did they do you? Are they here? They teach you something. They for my hand. Call that guy back. Call him now. When are they here? Call him
now.
Yes, now. What did they do you? Call him first, I beg.
Yeah, I'm scared though.
Call him now. What did they do you?
I don't understand. So they're trying to make me do.
Excuse me. I don't understand what they do you. Just the forehand anyhow. Oh, hello.
Yeah, hello. Hello.
Oh, hi, Charles. Longest time. Oh, how you doing?
Yeah, good. Don't mean to be rude or anything, but who's on the line, please?
Oh, stop that. Are you kidding me? Please don't tell me you don't know who you're speaking with. Oh, actually, I know I've been out of the country for quite some time now, but it doesn't mean you wouldn't know me. This is Chidinma you're speaking with. Seriously, you still can't remember? Really? Oh, you know, let me just call you back.
Why on earth did you drop the phone now?
Babe, calm down. Now the format be this.
Hey!
I dey teach you something here, you did it for my hand. Now the format be this. If you don't do them like this guy no go for you.
Hey!
Give you so.
This guy has finished.
He will call back, relax.
Oh my god, this guy. What? You better call back. This is like 1 hour now.
Babe, calm down. You go call. Relax now. What did they do you? You go call.
He has not called up till now.
I know. Babe, probably network.
See, get his number. Get his number. How to get with you here? What is all this? Now that you be showing me for me in this house. What is wrong with you?
Babe, calm down. Babe, you know, calm down.
I can't take this from you. You better call though. You better call.
You go call. You know, Ingo, but if I say, make I just drop something for.
Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Oh my god.
Dear, you give me a minute. I'll be back soon. Okay?
It's fine.
Hey, it's coming over. Charlie, Baba. Come over here now. Why are you like this? Hi.
Okay. Sorry, were you the one speaking with me on phone?
Of course now. What's that?
I see. May I have an idea of where and how we met?
Why are you doing as if you don't know me again?
Alright, please hold on, let me confirm.
Oh, okay. I told you it's me. Oh, like seriously. Even if you've lost your phone and you lost my contact, at least all these things you're saying is not enticing.
I see.
Me or...
Okay, I really don't recall though, but it's okay.
No, seriously, even if you forgot
my pleasure to meet you.
Please come off it. Give me a good for free.
Oh, please. Can you just stop? No. Listen.
Oh, Charlie.
I'll talk to you later, okay?
Where are you going to? Are you leaving me here? Hey! Wait. What just happened? Hey! Chidemma. Hey!